Hola, ¿qué tal? Today is about how to make plural in Spanish, okay? It's not a difficult subject. You just need to be focused on it and you'll see. Okay, so let's start. So as we know, singular is when we talk about one person or thing, and plural more than one. Then the first thing you need to know is that we classify words in three main groups by its ending, okay? Can be a vowel, can be consonant or Z. Like for example, as you see on the screen, amigo ends in vowel, canción ends in consonant, and lápiz Z. Now let's make the plural of these words and you see how easy is this. So when a word finishes in vowel, we just need to add an S after to make the plural and that's it. For example, amigo is amigos and casa, house, is going to be casas. That's very easy, isn't it? The second case is when a word finishes in consonant. Then we just need to add es after to make the plural. For example, canción is going to be canciones. Árbol, which is tree, is going to be árboles. And the third case is when a word finishes in Z. Pay attention about this, okay? When a word finishes in Z, what we have to do is take off Z and add after the word CES to make the plural, okay? Like for example, lápiz is going to be lápices. You see, we take off Z and we add CES. And for example, the next word is luz, which is light in English. We take off Z and to make the plural is going to be luces, Luces. Okay, very easy. Now let's practice with it. I have put some words here. You have to stop the video and then when you finish, I go through it, okay? So let's go through this. For example, the first word, cara, face, ends in vowel, so it's going to be caras. Amigo, friend, as you know, amigos. Niño, which is boy, again vowel, so it's going to be niños. Or, for example, niña, which is girl, okay, again vowel, so it's going to be niñas. The next word is arroz, ending in z, which is rice, okay. In plural, it's going to be arroces. We add ces after take off z. Then sabor, which is flavor in English, ends in consonant. We just need to add es, so it's going to be sabores. The next word is sal, which is salt in English, and it's going to be sales. In the next column, the first word is juez, which is judge. Ends in z, we remove z and we add ces, so it's going to be jueces. The next one, camión, truck, consonant, so camiones. The next one, fácil, again consonant, which is easy by the way, so it's going to be fáciles. The next one, estudiante, which is student, ends in vowel, so we just need to add an s, estudiantes. The following one is clase, which is class, ends in vowel, so we add an s, classes. Then maestro, teacher, ends again in vowel, we add s, is going to be maestros. And the last one is maestra in feminine, which is teacher again, and is going to be maestras. All right, so mark your job, check it again, watch the video again if you missed any information, and notice, by the way, that in this exercise there are two examples of masculine and feminine, as in Spanish we classify words masculine and feminine. These words, check again the list, is niño, niña, and maestro, maestra. This is going to be a subject soon, okay? So now you can go. Hasta luego.